皆さんこんにちは、とも先生です。Did you finish learning all 46 hiragana characters? Great! Then let's get into the next step of hiragana. Today, you will learn how to read Japanese voiced sound and P-sound with the hiragana consonants we've already learned from previous lessons. The voiced sound is called dakuten, and P-sound, also known as semi-voiced sound, is called handakuten in Japanese. さあ、始めましょう。The voiced consonants make your vocal cord vibrate. The unvoiced consonants of ka, sa, ta, and ha columns can become voiced consonants by adding a pair of short strokes on the upper right corner of the character. Now we have 4 new ga, za, da, and ba columns. Do you see 2 small strokes on each character? We call it dakuten. When dakuten is added to the unvoiced consonants k, s, t, h, they become voiced consonants g, z, d, and b. それでは発音の練習をしてみましょう。Then let's practice how to read ga column first. が、ぎ、ぐ、げ、ご。Repeat after me. が、が、ぎ、ぎ、ぐ、ぐ、げ、げ、ご、ご。Next, let's practice to read the column. ざ、じ、ず、ぜ、ぞ。Repeat after me. ざ、ざ、じ、じ、ず、ず、ぜ、ぜ、ぞ、ぞ。While listening and repeating, you might notice that the, z, ze, zo pronounced at the front part of the gum close to your teeth. But G sound is pronounced at the little more back part of the gum, and your tongue touches it, and it's close to J sound, not Z sound, so let's be careful. Okay, next, let's practice to read the column. だ、じ、ず、で、ど。Repeat after me. だ、だ、じ、じ、ず、ず、で、で、ど、ど。You can see that G of the column and G are pronounced the same. Z of the column and Z are pronounced the same too. As we learned, every hiragana has each sound, but these are exceptions. The last one. Let's practice to read ba column. ば、び、ぶ、べ、ぼ。Repeat after me. ば、ば、び、び、ぶ、ぶ、べ、べ、ぼ、ぼ。Very good. Let's get into P sound next. Only ha column has P sound. The consonants of ha column can become P sound by adding a small circle to the upper right corner of the characters. Now we have per column. Do you see a small circle on each character? We call it dakuten in Japanese. When dakuten is added to per column, they become per column. それでは発音の練習をしてみましょう。Then let's practice how to read per column. パピプペポ Repeat after me. パパピピププペペポポ Now you can read Japanese voiced sound and P-sound. Let's try to read some simple words. Are you ready? What hiragana is this? Answer in 3 seconds. で、ぎ、5時、僕、パン。Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you learning Japanese. Please subscribe and give like on this video. I would love to get your comment and question too. See you in the next video. 継続は力なり。